Hey everyone, it's Julie. So today there was an earthquake in Hawaii. And Coco actually started crying. And Bree was also a little bit nervous. But then Coco took her glasses off and Bree held her. Then she went to Toca's, and we also were so nervous and shocked. Then Bree started crying, and we were so nervous. Then it started to get worse, but then it stopped, and then Coco went to pick up the stuff because everything was fallen, and then Bree put the glasses of Coco and her iPad. Then she put the pencil and this cute lamp. And then I pick up the laundry room and I put all the things. And then Ryan puts the clothes back. As I tell, everything was falling off. And yeah, bye everyone.